What can you take to improve your sleep?
We've talked about melatonin because that's the number one sleep supplement. But here's the big punchline on melatonin. I think the dosages that people are using is way, way off. Your brain will naturally produce 10 to 80 micrograms. So even the lowest dose capsule that you can buy is typically about half a milligram, which is 500 micrograms, which is 20, 30, 40 times more than what the brain would naturally produce. So if you use between 40 to 100 micrograms, you will get a much better result from melatonin. In general, I'm a big believer that it's better to give the body the building blocks that it needs to produce the hormone that we want it to produce. And in this case, it's melatonin. So magnesium is a great precursor, again, a great building block for serotonin, and it's a great building block for melatonin. So what we do is, of course, we have magnesium breakthrough, which I take every night, 2 capsules an hour before my bedtime. It always does the trick to chill my nervous system, get me relaxed, and get me a better sleep.
This really is like the most nutrient rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code